The weather is outside of my client's control, is outside of my control, is outside of the immigration court's control. Right?
Heather Hottie, an immigration attorney, is frustrated with the lack of empathy one of her clients received recently in the midst of a winter storm.
This particular client has an asylum case. They fear death or torture if they are to be returned home. But now, because of this, they will probably be required to return home. So we just need a little bit of empathy and, a humanization from these immigration judges.
Hottie says her office lost power and no one could return to the office, adding that the response from the judge overseeing this client's case was surprising, knowing Kentucky was under a state of emergency.
And unfortunately, we're seeing a specific Memphis immigration judge, Judge Johnson, denying these motions, stating that there has been no good cause given, even with proof of the weather. My client is in a very, very rural area.
Hottie adding that the response from the judge was concerning and alarming, knowing the situation in the state.
I am worried about not just my client's safety, but if they're denying my motion, I wonder how many other immigration advocates and attorneys who are trying to keep their clients and themselves safe have also found this issue with at least with the Memphis Immigration Court.
We reached out to the Executive Office for Immigration Review for a response. This is what they sent us. In part, the standard for continuing a case is good cause, and immigration judges make such determinations on a case-by-case basis based on the facts, circumstances, and evidence presented in each case. This includes the adjudication of motions to continue based on weather conditions. The statement also says the office has several resources to assist non-citizens in navigating court proceedings where they can seek assistance to prepare for a hearing. Hottie does warn if anyone finds themselves in a similar situation.
There's always an appeals process. We can always file, formal complaints like this. There are options. No one's going to come to your house tomorrow and pick you up unless you're somebody who's high enforcement priority.
She also advises to make a safety plan in the event that ICE does come to your house and know who to call. In Lexington, Anna Medina, ABC 36 News Now.